Alright, hey, how's it going? My name's Eric. Welcome to the channel. If you find any of this information useful, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. And all of this is just for educational purposes. Any information, please paper trade. And so let's get to it. So today I'm going to show you where an all-in-one indicator is. And then a bonus, I'm going to show you where another, that this first one's going to be like a beginner, and then the second one's going to be just at the end. I'm going to make it, it's going to be more advanced, but I'm going to keep my videos short like I always do. So let's just jump into it. We're using the free version of TradingView, and here it is. I've got Microsoft, and today the Feds said they weren't going to, they're going to do something with the rates. Hopefully I can say that on YouTube. The Fed's doing something, and so everybody sold today, but we're just using this for purposes. I got Microsoft up. So what do? We go to indicators right here. We just click on here, and we're going to type in SMA 9. It's going to pop up right here. It's by this M. Phillips guy. We're just going to click on that one, and it pops up, and you're like, whoa. What's nice about this, it does have this super trend thing here, this line here. It's got these buy and sell that you can go off of, and this is all in one. So with TradingView, you can only have 2 indicators. So this actually has 1. This buy thing is like 2. This is like a lot because it even has these moving average lines in it, and well, so it's a bunch of indicators all in one. This is very basic too, but very helpful. It's got the I don't know if you can see, the lines are kind of, I'm trying to make it big, but it's got the white line here is the 180 SMA. The blue is the SMA 50, and then this the yellow one is actually an EMA yellow, and the red, this red is an SMA or MA moving average 9, and then you've got like this super trend line. So green, you could forego the buy signal, but it's got 2 that you can what's the word I'm looking for? Not recommit, but it reconstitute. Hey, this is maybe a buy. It's green here at this candle, and then you had red here. You could have sold before it came here. So it's pretty. I think it's something to play around with if you're new, and you can make changes. If you don't like all this stuff, you just go up here into settings. You click this. You can go up here into style. If you don't like all these things, you can kind of get rid of that big line. But some people like it. Some people say it's too many lines. You can just play around with whatever you prefer. It's right up here in style. And so if you don't want that super trend line, but I think it's kind of helpful if you don't want the buy and sell. You can take those off when you're getting really good, and you know when to just buy and sell. If you don't want all these lines, you can kind of get rid of what you don't want. If you don't want any lines at all, you can just go that gets rid of all lines, and you just have this super trend line, and you just confirm with that, and it's nice. And smooth, not too much stuff. You just get these lines, you just go with the super trend and the buy and sell, and you kind of match them up, and you can go like that. Myself, I kind of like to use these lines too as just indicators as well. The more the merrier. So this is just all includes 1. So if you wanted to, you can just get a sub 1, 2. You could just do a MACD, type in MACD. And it's saying no. It shouldn't be saying no. I don't know why it's saying no. It should be saying yes. It says that I got 1 open. I didn't have 1 open. MACD, it's saying I have 2 open, but I don't. Sorry. Maybe I have 1 open down here. Let's see. But anyways, you should be able to put MACD down there, but I don't know why something's open, and I don't know what it is. This is bugging me because I'm giving you bad information. I've only got one open. See, it's messing with me. We'll click off that. So let's do this. We go right to MACD. I'll do it real fast. I typed it in there, and it's down there. There's somehow there were two. Sorry. So I guess I had one open, and it wasn't showing it somewhere. But anyways, see, I'll show you I wasn't lying. Now I'll click on the SMA 950. There we go. See, don't want to make a liar out of me. This video's going longer than I like, but see, sometimes you got to play around with it. It wasn't, this MACD clearly wasn't there, and they were saying, so sometimes, hey, valuable lesson learned. If you have trouble there on TradingView, nice troubleshoot there. I hope you enjoyed. So this is kind of basic package, and you know, you can use the MACD to reconfirm, you know, when it crosses and they buy. Really nice for you know, your paper trading that you're doing. So let's go into advanced. I'll show you the advanced, but we're going to get rid of. I'm going to get rid of MACD, and I'm going to get rid of this one too. Just hit the trash can, and we're back to this. And so we'll go to indicators. Go up into indicators, and we are going to put DIY. Once you put CUS, it's going to get this one by ZPayApp. So that's one we want. That's one we click on. And it's going to take a while. Oh, you're like, oh, we almost got too much stuff. But there are things I do like. It's got this supply and the demand down here. You want to kind of play along with that action. This is for maybe advanced people, but I think most people would get this. So what is good about this, you can go in here, is when you go into the settings, and it's got all this stuff, almost too much stuff, but what you want to do is go into inputs, and that's where you come in here, indicator setting. The main one is the leading indicator, where it's going with these long positions, which would be buy, and a short would be a sell. You can change it though if you don't want the range, what it's on right there, range filter. You can go to you know, you can go to the MACD. It's going to take a while to switch up, but it may be the same, and this will be the same as what I just showed you. You got the long. And then you don't need this. We'll go back to settings, get rid of some of this stuff. You can get rid of the rational quadratic. May change things up too. That's kind of what this thing runs on for a confirmation filter. And it's just got all, you can just go crazy with these things. And it's so almost too many indicators. I'm just going through, trying quickly, but if you're here, once you start getting rid of stuff, you can just come down till you hit the switchboard, and you can kind of, you really don't need these supply and demand. If you're just starting, you just get rid of some of those things like that. Make it a little bit nicer like that, so it's not as confusing. You can then down here is something you can do, EMAs, if you want nicer things like that. You would just click on this one, take the PVSAR, and then they're kind of set up here. If I was changing them to my liking, I'd just go down here 9, and then I would have a 20. You can have 5200. That'd be nice. I would change this to yellow on the 20. I would make this an SMA, make it red. This is what I have on most of my things, and then you just hit OK, and we got our lines back how we had on the other thing. We got long is by, short, and it's almost about the same as the other one. You should be able to add MACD here. Let's see if you can. As you saw in the other one, it wouldn't let me do it. Let's see if you can do it. Yes, okay. Didn't make a letter out of me. It's got the MACD to kind of reconfirm, but you really don't need this because I put that it was, you could put something else since I put on here the main buy signal is when the MACD crosses, so you don't even know that. You could put something else in here. If you wanted to, you'd go in the settings for something to reconfirm down there. I don't believe it's in here though. But we're going too long on this. You could do another subchart like stochastic RSI, like this one, just to reconfirm it crossed here up, and then you can see where it's overbought and oversold. If you, I'm not going to get into stochastic RSI, you can Google that, or I'll do a video later on it, but mostly this is just the all-in-one indicators plus this bonus one, a little bit more advanced. So now you've got, it's pretty interesting because this is based on the MACD, so you don't need a MACD. You can just go, and this is what I would do. I'd put something like the Stoch RSI just to reconfirm. So this video is going way too long. That I like them nice and short, still pretty short, but we're going to end it right here. And as always, if you find any of this useful, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. Otherwise, I will see you on the next video, and as always, I hope you have a great day.